Hey guys, it's Sterling W. We're going to do an unboxing and review of this RENUE XL from Sunbeam. It's actually a shoulder heat pad that has weights on it, so that keeps your shoulders warm as well as your lower neck warm and the back warm as well. It's really, really comfy, really soft material, has a microfiber softening, and it's also weighted with beads, which is really, really cool. So let's go ahead and unbox it and also tell you why I bought this. Now, I use a space heater, but a space heater uses a lot of energy to warm up the air around my feet, but it doesn't get to my shoulders. So instead of just using a space heater, I'm going to probably switch over to using like a heated blanket and a heated shoulder pad like this one. That way my shoulder gets hot, it releases a lot of the shoulder stress when I'm typing over the keyboard, and at nighttime when I'm actually working on editing videos and stuff, this actually keeps my shoulders from actually hurting. So this is actually pretty cool in terms of like a shoulder pad and heat pad, because it not only has weights in it, but it's actually very, very comfortable and it's really hot and warm. So you guys should turn this really hot. So very soft material. Also has, as you can see, is weighted so that it stays on your shoulders and keeps a lot of weight on your shoulders, which is nice. Here is the controls and stuff. Let me go ahead and plug it in. And like I said, this was actually saving me a lot more energy because this doesn't use as much energy as a space heater, which just heats the air around your feet or place, but doesn't really heat your upper body. I can set it to high, and this thing automatically turns off, I think, at 3 hours. So usually I use it at night and I turn off myself, or I just let it turn off by itself with that auto shut off. So it's actually very, very useful. I do love Sunbeam products because I have their heated blanket and this. So this way I actually use less energy than a space heater. Though it does look kind of funny, but it's nice and long, and it's an XL size so that it goes very low towards the middle of my back. And you could, of course, use this, at your home or your home office, or maybe in the office where places don't allow you to bring a space heater in. So anyways, it's up to you how you want to use it, but it is actually very comfortable and it relieves my the back aches and stuff as well. As you can see from the box, pretty interesting stuff. There is a magnet that holds the edges in place, which is nice, and it's soft fabric, and also it's machine washable if you have to plug it and throw it in the wash. Anyways, that's really about it. If you want to pause the video and look at that warning, that'd be great too. There is a magnet in the front, so for I guess pacemakers and stuff, that might be a warning for you guys. Anyways, like I said, I've been using this for the past week. It's been pretty cool. I really do like the magnet, and I like the fact that it's weighted. And here's how it looks on me. So it keeps the upper part of my body really warm. Then my neck as well. The rear of my neck, I can lean back and it heats up the back of my neck. And it's really good since my my home office is like roughly 50 degrees most of the time. So yeah, it's very comfortable even on my mesh chair. My mesh chair keeps me on the summertime really cool, and this would keep me warm because, well, it's heated. It heats up pretty quickly and heats the front and back and shoulders and the back of my neck, which is pretty awesome. So there's a quick overview of it and review. And like I said, I've been using this. This is really, really useful. As you can see, very, very cool. It goes all the way down, which is nice as well. So yeah, that's about it. My name's Sterling W. I hope this was helpful to you, and I'm glad I could do a review for you guys. Thanks for watching, guys.